I like to call this skincare makeup because it's very much focused on skincare, but at the same time it brings life back to your face. So you could see this as a no makeup look. I will be using mostly skincare, as I said, and just a few items, like maybe 2 or 3 things that are very makeup related. And of course, before starting anything, I cleanse my face. This is a very clean cleanser. If you have sensitive skin, definitely screenshot this because it's the best. After that, I like to use the Laneige Milky Toner. This is actually the Cream Skin Toner Moisturizer, and it really hydrates your skin instantly. And I also like to drag it down to my neck and my chest as well. Next, I'm going to be using hyaluronic acid. This one is from The Ordinary. I always try to have as much affordable and good skincare at the same time. It's important, but it's also important to be realistic on keeping up with buying your skincare. So in my opinion, it should be reasonable to purchase, you know, on a regular basis. Now I'm gonna use the eye serum. This is the Revive Eye Serum by Beauty of Joseon. It's really good, just a little bit goes a long way. Next, for moisturizer, I am obsessed with the Byoma. This is the moisturizing gel cream and it's very hydrating. I really love this because it absorbs instantly and also it repairs your skin barrier. Now the last step for my skincare is SPF. This is the one from vanicream. It's amazing. It sits really nice under makeup and it doesn't peel. I do like to really work it in first to minimize the whiteness and just press it on. Especially if you are in rush in between your skincare steps, it just makes sure that it doesn't peel off the skincare we applied earlier. Okay, remember when I said this is a skincare makeup? So now I'm done with the skincare. So the first thing I'm gonna be using is the benetint. And I'm just gonna go ahead, put that on my cheeks and just a tiny bit on my nose. You can instantly see the difference this one product makes. Just a tiny bit more. And because this is so sheer, it still like shows as your skin because it doesn't have any coverage. So this is how we're looking after just using the benetint. And now we're gonna also add some faux freckles. This is from Kimchi. This is how the packaging looks like. I love freckles to peek through my skincare or like my makeup in general. And this one is very natural. Once that's applied, I like to let it set, and then after that I will just slightly go over it like that with my finger. But first, in the meantime, I'm gonna do my brows real quick. This is the Brow Freeze from Anastasia. It's clear, so I just like to brush up my brows like that. And that will just have them sit there all day long without moving around too much. See, it's very quick. And now, just gonna go over the freckles. Make sure they're blended and not harsh. Just like that. Okay, we're almost done. Blur liner from Refy in the shade Umber. It broke, so I really have to be careful when I open it, otherwise it will just come out. Lines my lips in such a natural way, especially now because I have dissolved my lips, so this adds just a tiny bit of definition, which I like. And that's it. Nothing too crazy. And then the final step, I promise, is this Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's amazing, honestly, because it hydrates and also gives this amazing shine to my lips. And that's it. This is everything that I do. Looks very natural. You can definitely go ahead and put on some concealer if you need to. Like, it's giving like glass skin and a glow from within. That's why I love it so much. And I hope you like it too and try it out for yourself.